I have been using this powder by Vital Proteins, the Collagen Advanced Formula, for a couple of weeks now, and I can already see a difference in my skin, especially. Collagen at the end of the day is great for your hair growth, your skin health in general, that elasticity that you need. It also contains hyaluronic acid. Try to say that 3 times. Hyaluronic acid is great for the skin. So your overall skin health with the collagen added is an amazing add-on. And they just, for good measure, added some protein because we all need protein throughout our day. So 2 scoops, 2 tablespoons of this will actually cover all of that. Great for joint support as well if you're taking it for a while. So I've only been doing it two and a half weeks about, and I can see it in my hair, my skin especially, because that's the first thing that you notice, of course. So this is what it looks like, really. It's a very simple powder, no discerning taste or smell. And I usually just go and put it in my coffee in the morning. And the really nice thing, and this is what a lot of people are asking, is what the difference is between the green and the blue cap bottle. The green one is made of with beef gelatin. So basically, it will not dissolve as easily in cold liquids. This, I put it in my warm coffee, yes, but I could do it in a cold glass of water and it will dissolve no problem. So let's do it. I usually try and get a little fancy and just do this. And you don't need to do more than that. Usually with a protein powder or things like that, it takes a longer time to dissolve. This is done. It tastes exactly like my coffee would. Zero difference in taste. And I'm getting all these health added benefits. I think it's great, and we'll be reordering some very soon.